Today is my glow up day. I'm getting a facial, I'm getting a haircut, and then later I'm gonna get Botox, I'm gonna get a pedicure, and I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of those things today. These are things that have been on my to-do list for a long time, and I like need to do them because I need to feel better about myself. I made the horrible mistake of going on Instagram as soon as I woke up. And now I feel like maybe 20 times shittier about myself. There's actually science backing this up. How you receive dopamine first thing in the morning is how your brain is going to seek it throughout the day. Say you vape. If you hit your vape as soon as you wake up in the morning, then the whole day, your brain is gonna tell you to hit your vape so you can get dopamine. Yeah, I went on Instagram and I shouldn't have done that. Why am I tired? 360, when you in the mirror, you just look mad. This is the best knife I've ever used.
Yours isn't bad at all. Like dry, dead skin.
Haley's birthday is coming up and I know she wants a Lego set. I've inspired her. So I think I'm gonna get her a little something, but I don't know what. So with the cord, because I know she wants it. Hi, can I come in for a gel manicure today?
Yes, what time do you want it?
12:45.
Oh,
Thank you. Bye. Today I'm focusing on nails. This is atrocious. I also wanted to get a pedicure, but Miss Diana, my pedicure girl, is not there, so I have to go a different day. I wish I could do all these things in one day and really just immerse myself in the glow up, but you know, timing just doesn't work out that way. Today's Sunday, so it is kind of like a reset day. I need to like clean up around the house, and it's 11 a.m. so it's like time to start the day. It's been time to start the day and I just haven't. And then on top of all of this, I have to study for an exam. We're gonna make food. Well, I'm on FaceTime with Jack. I'm going to make a very simple dish that I haven't made in a long time because it hasn't been in season. It's a spinach stew. For my Turkish viewers, this is called ıspanak. You're cooking too. Jack, this is my hack. Oh no, I can't even show my hack because I don't have it. Say like the recipe requires onion, I will chop the whole onion that day, put what I don't use in a little Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. For like the next week, I never have to chop an onion again. But I guess today is the day I chop an onion. How do you chop an onion again? Which way? Okay, and then what do I do? You know, or I could just like buy one of those dicers, but then I feel like they like don't actually do it well. Is it one of those things that's like just consumerism, or is it actually practical? Jack left us, so it's just us. This knife that I mentioned earlier in the video and this cutting board, the brand called Material Kitchen, I guess they found my YouTube and they saw that like I kind of started cooking and they sent me a knife and a board. And first of all, it's the best knife I've used in my entire life. I already said that. I'm getting kitchen PR now. Like, that is saying something. That means people are recognizing my efforts. Finally. I have been cooking. Oh shit. I'm supposed to save some. Look at how much onion I chopped that I don't have to chop for the next like week for any of my meals. I do the same thing with tomato paste. When I open a can and I don't want to just put it in the fridge because I don't know if I'll use it, put it all in a Ziploc and then separate it into sections. So like when I'm about to cook this meal, I'm just going to take this out and throw it in the pot. That way nothing goes bad and I'm not being wasteful. Don't do that. This is also a stain removing tutorial. You get dish soap, some water, this is what it looks like in all of her glory. Good amount of yogurt. Taste test. That tastes so good. Bomb. Reset day continues. My professor just canceled lecture, which means I'm home the whole day. Today's reset is taking an everything shower, washing my sheets, cleaning the fuck out of my room. There are just clothes and shit everywhere. My garbage cans are full. Like, you know, just do a deep clean of the room. Like, I'm gonna vacuum. I'm also doing laundry, so I like organized my delicates and my whites. But I'm gonna wait for my shower so I can throw my towel in there along with my sheets. There's a whole system to this, and like there's a way, there's a method to this madness.
Jawline. Just think of the jawline. I think about cloud. Think about that's all.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up? One in Oakland, 2018. Shout out to everybody who's been involved with this project. It really means a lot. Let's go. Everybody fucked up. Everybody fucked up. Solo dolo rolling. So low like a red cup. I broke my meds up. He broke down. He so down. He messed up. She so down in my head. She gon' lay down in my bed. Yeah. I never stepped out of line. We would kick it all the time. Late night I hit your line.
I'm doing this Dr. Jar Cryo Soothing Face Mask. I honestly just like the way this feels and looks. Whoa, this is really cold. It's been in the fridge. Got this very thick consistency. Look, it's like super jelly. This is really cold. It is soothing though. It's just really cold. Can't really be that aesthetic because I'm blind, so I gotta put my glasses back on. Makes me feel like handsome Squidward.